Greetings from Plum Beach in the borough of Brooklyn, New York City. And this is one of the National Park Service's beaches. Here is our entry to Plum Beach. The words actually read wrapped around the concession would be Plum Beach, and we are alongside of the Belt Parkway, exit 9 area, and this parking field is open until 9 p.m. Now let's go inside and explore some of Plum Beach. National Park Service, Department of the Interior, and there is the walkway that you would take to go to Point Breeze. And we're going to get to Breezy Point in just a second, as it is one of the things that you can clearly see from Plum Beach. But let's stop at our informational sign about paddling Jamaica Bay. Gateway National Recreation Area is the primary steward of Jamaica Bay, home to a complex wetlands, and there is the view. We are here at Plum Beach, which would be directly across from Breezy Point. Now, let's take a stroll inwards towards Jamaica Bay. And you can clearly see Breezy Point, but we are going to do a turnaround look to see our concession stand, which is definitely showcasing New York of yesteryear. We'll do a quick walk around, as it's not a rather large structure, and I imagine it is something that will change in time. Oh, it is the Plum Beach Ranger Station, to be specific. Looks like we have some alien art, as well as some fish adorning the site. Now, this is a free beach. If these are locked up, this would be for the ranger station. Possibly, it looks like there is a concession stand aspect to this as well, but we are not seeing anything here today, which is 4th of July weekend. Today is July 3rd. Making this actually 4th of July weekend. Now, this is the part where I mentioned where it looks like it could have swung open and been a concession stand, but now off to the beach. And this is my first time visiting Plum Beach, and I did a quick walkthrough, and I can confirm, you can probably guess from here, there are no plum trees growing on Plum Beach. But plums are indeed one of my favorite things to pick up at the supermarket before heading to the beach. I find they are extremely refreshing, give you a little bit of a thirst quencher, as well as a little bit of something to eat. Now, we do have some people in the water here today, swimming, fishing, barbecuing. And this point of Jamaica Bay is where the connection, you can see it right in front of us, although this area is not deemed as the Atlantic Ocean, it connects with the Atlantic Ocean right there. Now, here is our view of Breezy Point of the Rockaway Peninsula, which is a peninsula of Long Island. And this is the Breezy Point Cooperative, as seen from the Jamaica Bay side. Now, if you were to cross over the street on Breezy Point area, you would be at the Atlantic Ocean. Now we're coming up to, and I'm talking about the viewpoint here. We are now seeing what would be Fort Tilden Park. And now here comes the recognizable area, and you can see it from here. It is Jacob Riis Park, the People's Beach. The Marine Park Bridge, which will bring you to Flatbush Avenue, goes past the Brooklyn Botanic Garden and allows you to connect over to the subway system at the Brooklyn College stop. Now, here is, if I'm going to walk a little bit more, that is going to point me towards Point Breeze, which is on this side of Jamaica Bay. We see some families having their 4th of July barbecue. And we will finish up with our 360 here. And this, again, is the borough of Brooklyn. Now, how to get here actually, it's a very nice walk. I took the B train. You can also take the Q train to Sheepshead Bay. Over an hour-long ride from Midtown Manhattan, the Empire State Building, but only costs you $2.75. And then walk the beautiful Emmons Avenue, which is where you would like to go for dinner. It's very South Beach restaurant style. You'll see a lot of outdoor dining, and it is waterside right next to the party boats and fishing boats. It's a real gem of Brooklyn. Now we're at the tip end across what we're going to be looking at when we see some of the boats. Actually is Brooklyn. That would be the Manhattan Beach area, which would be the very end of Coney Island, as we have Coney Island, Brighton Beach, Manhattan Beach, which actually at one point was an island. Coney Island is no longer an island. The channel has been filled in, which makes it, yes, a connection of mainland Brooklyn, which is geographically located on Long Island, but zoned as New York City. So you'll not hear many people when they are at Plum Beach say they are on Long Island, but geographically, where I'm standing right now is on Long Island, but zoned as New York City, the borough of Brooklyn. And that is a quick look from Brooklyn. Till next time, from ever beautiful, I love New York.